Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is here to do exactly that, simplifying your kitchen life like never before. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, sterilizer, and more. All packed into one sleek appliance. Imagine ditching countless kitchen gadgets and reclaiming your counter space with this single, powerful device. With 15 one-touch customizable programs from soup to cake, you can create gourmet meals with minimal effort. No more guessing cooking times. Just select your dish and let the Instant Pot handle the rest perfectly every time. Plus, the food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking is incredibly durable and super easy to clean. Unlike non-stick alternatives, you never have to worry about scratching or harmful chemicals leaching into your food. For anyone searching for the best kitchen appliance 2025 to make meal prep faster and healthier, the Duo Plus truly stands out. Ready to upgrade your cooking game? Click the link in the description below to grab your own Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon today. I wholeheartedly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus. It's an essential, versatile, and invaluable addition to any modern kitchen.